Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Pisces. So if you are sun, moon, or your rising sign or Saturn is sitting in the sign of Pisces, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Page of Swords. I think some people are jealous of you. Some people really want to, yeah, definitely some people are jealous of you. A lot of people could be eyeing the job that you currently have. So I do feel like, for some of you guys have actually applied for a new job, and it seems like, there are a lot of contenders, and a lot of contenders, are equally good as you. So I'm not seeing, whether you're going to get this job or not, but I do see, many of you have been applying for jobs, and there's a lack of decision making. It seems like, you are going around in circles in regards to something, and maybe, in the past you have applied for multiple jobs and you have been rejected so many times that you have sort of lost interest, or you have sort of, you feel like you are in a situation where nobody appreciates you because you had a checklist and, you were unable to get the kind of job that you really wanted, and it's just leaving you kind of sad. At the bottom of the deck again, I have the Four of Swords card, which is like you're not taking any action. So I feel like, when I look at all these cards together, I do feel like, you have taken an action. Like, you applied for a job but you haven't received positive feedback from anywhere, and this is kind of eating you from the inside, and you're not sure what to do about it. So a lot of you could be spending a lot of time, thinking, contemplating, deciding where you want to, or where you can go from here, or what do you want to do next. The next card that I have for you guys is the Tower card. So I do feel like, for many of you, you could be going through a really down period, in a sense that you feel like the world around you is breaking apart. Things are not going as they should go, and, you just feel like completely lost. You feel like, your life is turning upside down and nothing is working for you. Anywhere you go, it's like you keep hearing no, you keep facing rejections. And the next card I have for you is the Temperance. So the Temperance card tells me, especially with the Tower card, that whatever is happening for the higher good. Good things are coming towards your way. The Temperance card also tells me that you really need to balance out. I feel like, if I look at this card, is that you're you're being too practical, and there's a lack of emotions when it comes to your application. So a lot of times, when you send across applications, or when you're trying for job, you're not manifesting it right. So, practically you're manifesting it, but emotionally, you're not invested in that move or in that change, and that is something that could be causing the delay, or, that could be creating this loop of rejections that you are facing. But moving forward, things are going to make more sense, things are going to stabilize. You're finally going to, find balance. A lot of healing is going to happen, and you are going to get a good news very soon. Even at the bottom of the deck, I have the Hierophant, and Hierophant tells me, even if in the current job you're facing, all these problems, that your confidence is low and you don't feel appreciated enough or valued enough, I do feel like very soon, possibly in next 4 months, 4 to 5 months, you are going to be in a position of power. People are going to come towards you, people are going to look towards you, and you would be the one, guiding these people or counseling these people. Let's see what other messages we have for you. In terms of money, I don't see a lot of money coming, but career wise, even things, like career wise, things could be slow at the moment, but I do see them picking up pace. Not in this month, but probably next month, like in next 4 months, I do see them picking up pace. The next card I have for you is the Two of Swords, which means you finally have to make a decision. You might have been, stalling a decision for far too long, and finally it is time that you make a decision, that exact what it is that you exactly want to do, or where you should, invest your energy. Because whatever is going on, it's certainly not giving you the result that you desire. So, and if you want the result, well, then you have to work for it. So make up your mind very quickly. The next card that I have for you guys is Knight of Swords. There's a lot of swords energy, guys. I feel like a lot of things that are going on in your head are not really coming true in, their physical manifestation. So a lot of things are going on. You have a lot of plans, but you have been unable to come up with an organized or a logical guide for those plans. It's like, things are not coming true. Maybe you are manifesting, but there is still something is lacking, like the action part is lacking in your manifestations, and that could be one of the reasons why all these manifestations are not coming true. At the bottom of the deck I have the Nine of Pentacles, which tells me you are destined for success, except it's going to take a little while because of the Pentacles card. Things with Pentacles card happen sort of slow, so don't worry, they are going to happen for you, but they are going to happen a little slowly. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of messages do I have for you. The first card that I have for you is don't let pride get in your way. See, I told you, you have a checklist, and you're not, things are not going according to your checklist, and that could be because you are not being humble enough, or you are not being grounded enough to let other people tell you that maybe something is lacking in you and something needs to be built upon. Some kind of experience or some kind of skill has to be acquired before you can take the next step. Full moon in Leo, that means something is going to take a complete cycle, and you could be dealing with the Leo, that's for sure. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, so fire sign you could be dealing with very strongly. But do take this message that don't let your pride get into it. Don't be a little arrogant in terms of what you have done in the past, because times are changing and you really need to change with the time. The next card I have for you guys is be bold and make the first move. So go for it, try it out, but don't be arrogant. I think that's the only message I'm getting for you guys. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out the other readings by your date of birth and the love readings which have been uploaded directly to YouTube. And I'll see you guys next time.